Hello, I'm Illece Buckley Weber, the mayor of the city of Agoura Hills, with an update. As of yesterday, there was 81 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Agoura Hills. We continue to stay at 1 death. That means that we have more than doubled in the past month. Testing. County rules, guidelines have changed. First, they want you to go to your primary care physician and use their labs. If you don't have a primary care physician or your primary care physician does not have a lab, then go to the county website. Many different types of testing sites and several different kinds of tests are now available. So please go to the website and make sure you're going to the right place and getting the right test, whatever you've been told that you need. What's open and what's closed? It does feel like we're going backwards, but we still are better off today than we were 3 months ago. And that's because here's what's still open. Beaches, trails, retail stores, not indoor malls or indoor shopping centers, and outside dining. The reclosings are indoor dining, bars, indoor gyms and fitness centers, personal care establishments, which includes hair salons, manicure, nail shops, massage therapy, non-essential office-based businesses are now closed, and indoor faith-based services are closed. The green spaces at the parks in the city of Agoura Hills are still open. Ball fields and basketball courts are open for members of the same family unit. Playgrounds and restrooms remain closed. We have been inundated with emails and calls about youth sports and the use of our ball fields. We absolutely know how you and your children feel. My son was involved with youth sports all the way through college. It helped make him the man that he is today. Our family across the country attended games and tournaments for years. So I feel your pain. Your kids need to stay active and in shape. They can run, they can bike the trails, they can jump rope, they can hike, they can practice their sport with family members. Sports will be back and our youth will be ready. In the meantime, we must have you stay off of our ball fields with teams and team sports. Participating in these non-family team games is a violation of the public health order. Emails and phone calls. Council members, staff, and I are receiving calls and emails from across the spectrum. So let me tell you a bit about it. Number one, the city of Agoura Hills does not have its own Department of Public Health. We are guided by and mandated by the orders of the LA County Department of Public Health. The city will not violate the public health order. Our number one priority is the health and safety of our residents, and we have confidence in the county's public health department. Whether you agree or disagree with the public health orders, the moral, ethical, and financial implications of violating a public health order are not in the best interest of our city, and we won't do it. Number two, face coverings. The wearing or not wearing of face coverings has become a political issue. I urge you to put our political differences aside. Not only is the wearing of a face covering one of the very few things that we can do as individuals to protect ourselves, protect others, but I ask you to take a fresh look at this. Our local businesses are struggling, hoping and praying to be able to stay in business. I receive calls and emails regularly complaining about people not wearing face coverings in certain businesses, and they refuse to continue shopping or visiting these establishments. The pressure and stress on our business owners who can't afford to turn a single customer away is mounting daily. Please, for the future of our city, please wear a face covering whenever it is required in our city. Number three, why are the number of confirmed cases going up? People have asked, or people have told us their beliefs. Everyone has their own theory of why, when, and the relevance of the numbers going up. I ask you to please follow the public health orders now. Once the numbers go back down and stabilize, there will be plenty of time for us to review the data, debate the issues, and learn for the future. Right now, our only concern is to stop the spread, support our local businesses, and get back on our feet. Number 4, why is it so important for the city to support our local businesses? Agoura Hills is made up of many, many small businesses. These businesses are the fabric of our community and create the small town feel that we all love. We are at the risk of losing them, having more shuttered storefronts and losing the unique character of Agoura Hills. Furthermore, the city's general fund revenues are generated from property tax, sales tax, transient tax, and gas tax. These taxes are critical for the city to be able to provide the services that you move to Agoura Hills for. Due to our strong reserves, we are able to once again have a balanced budget, but we need your help. Every dollar you spend in Agoura Hills helps our local businesses, which in turn helps the city provide services to you and your family. It's a win-win for all of us. Please continue your support. Which leads to me to what each of us can do. 1, dine out or pick up food from a local eatery at least once a week. If you can do that, it would be a significant help to our economy. Number 2, try first to purchase goods in Agoura Hills, and gift certificates are a great gift. Number 3, we haven't talked about this in a little while, but don't forget to wash your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds. Next, stay 6 feet away from others. Next, wear a face covering when in public. And here's a new one for you, fresh off the press. Plan to get your flu shot in September or October. If you're scared of needles like I am, start mentally preparing for an early flu shot. I generally drag it out till November or December, but not this year. It has been determined that you can get both the flu and COVID-19. The impact of a bad flu and COVID-19 on our healthcare providers will be staggering. Let's do our part by getting the flu shot early, September or October. This week's Acorn has excellent articles on the importance of the 2020 census and the Virtual Development Project Public Forum by the developer Agoura Canaan Village, LLC. If you haven't been counted yet in our census, please be sure you do it. Go to 2020 census.gov. We need you to be counted. For more information about the development forum, go to the city's website. It's scheduled for July 20th at 6 p.m. That's it for today. As you know, every day is a new one, and every day things change. So for up-to-date announcements, go to the city's website or follow the city on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or follow me on Facebook, Illece Buckley Weber, City Council Member, or any other council member for that matter. Remember, we are here for you. Stay involved and stay well. Thank you.